3-ingredient breakfasts in 3 or less steps. These stress-free breakfast recipes require minimal work but deliver maximum flavor. These dishes, which require only 5 ingredients, excluding necessities such as salt, pepper, and oil, and 3 steps, will make busy mornings a breeze. From fluffy eggs like our Parmesan cloud eggs to sweet treats like our peanut butter and berries waffle sandwich, these dishes demonstrate that a hearty breakfast can be simple and delicious. Number 1. Parmesan cloud eggs. These light and fluffy eggs are stuffed with Parmesan and scallions for an explosion of flavor, and there's a delectable runny yolk on top. Do not fear, this magnificent brunch meal is simple enough for everyone to master. Nutritional profile. Low carb, diabetes appropriate, nut free, low soy, heart healthy, vegetarian, high protein, gluten free, and low calorie. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, yolks and whites separated. Pinch of salt. 1/4 cup finely grated Parmesan cheese. 1 scallion, finely chopped. Ground pepper to taste. Directions. Step 1. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Lightly coat with cooking spray. Step 2. Separate egg whites and yolks, placing each in a separate small basin. In a mixing dish, combine the egg whites and salt and beat on high speed until firm. Using a rubber spatula, gently incorporate Parmesan and scallions into the beaten whites. Place 4 mounds, approximately 3/4 cup each, of egg cheese mixture on the prepared baking sheet. Make a well in the center of each mound with the back of a spoon. Step 3. Bake the egg whites for approximately 3 minutes, or until they begin to faintly golden. Remove from the oven. If the well filled in while baking, use the spoon to replicate it. Gently place a yolk in each well. Bake for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until the yolks are cooked yet runny. Sprinkle with pepper. Serve immediately. Nutritional information, per serving. 94 calories. 6 grams fat, 1 gram carbohydrate, 8 grams protein. Number 2. 3-ingredient overnight berry muesli. Using pre-made muesli is a simple way to incorporate different grains, nuts, and dried fruit into your overnight oats without having to buy them individually. Choose frozen mixed berries over fresh, as frozen berries release juices when they thaw in the fridge. Nutrition profile. Soy-free, vegetarian, egg-free. Ingredients: 1 cup muesli. 2 cups plain kefir. 2 cups frozen mixed berries. Directions: divide 1/4 cup muesli evenly among 4 containers or jars. Top with ½ cup kefir and ½ cup frozen berries and mix thoroughly. Cover and refrigerate overnight or up to 4 days. Stir thoroughly before serving. Step 1. To make ahead. Refrigerate for up to 4 days. Originally published on eatingwell.com, August 2021. Nutritional information, per serving. 220 calories. 8 grams fat, 35 grams carbs, and 9 grams protein. Number 3. Peanut butter and berry waffle sandwich. Add your rating and review. Whole grain freezer waffles are the ideal foundation for a nutritious breakfast that tastes exactly like a classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We use crunchy peanut butter to provide texture, but you can use creamy if you want. If fresh berries are not available, frozen berries can be used. Defrost them in a small bowl in the microwave for about 30 seconds before adding to the sandwich. Nutrition profile. Diabetes appropriate, heart healthy, vegetarian. Ingredients: 1 whole wheat freezer waffle, toasted. 1 tablespoon crunchy natural peanut butter. 1/4 cup fresh mixed berries, such as raspberries, strawberries and blackberries. ½ teaspoon honey. Nutrition facts per serving. 209 calories. 11 grams. Fat. 24 grams. Carbs. 6 grams. Protein.